Here we go, putting up the first tiles for the backsplash in the kitchen. So far it seems the hardest thing is peeling the backing off, but we'll keep going. First two sheets. Already went in and removed the control panel. The old one was a little bit larger and left a large hole, so patch that up, painted over it, and we'll get the tile going up there as well. One thing I have noticed is these tiles, once you peel off the top covering, are very rubbery feeling, kind of soft, and they don't cut well with a regular utility knife. They tend to kind of crumble. So I found that a pair of good sharp shears or kitchen shears work very well. I just mark the outside with a pen because it's got that protective coating on top, draw my line or a straight line, or just cut really straight, and it works out pretty well. And here's our progress so far. Got a little funky towards the corner. It is very hard to do this leaning over a stove. Gotta trim it out some more and we'll call it done. We're not quite finished with the job, but once I'm done with all the tiles, I plan on putting a finished piece at the top, a trim piece. I'm going to use a piece of wood painted to look like a piece of aluminum or metal gray, similar to the look of the grout within the tile itself. And once that's done, at the top and the bottom, I think it'll have a nice finished custom look. And because it'll be wood, it'll be easier to attach. I'll glue and pin nail it on. And I think with the finish, it'll be pretty easy to keep clean. And another issue we've been dealing with is the television mounted on the wall kind of moves around when we're traveling. I'm not sure what other people have done, but a simple solution I did here was, let's see, turn around here. And you'll see what I've done here is put some eye screws on the wall and use some bungee cords around the TV bracket to give it some tension to hold it up against the wall. If you have any other ideas, put them in the comments down below. Appreciate it very much. And thanks again. That's my solution for now.